Alright, so I have absolutely no idea what is visible and what is not in the dark, but I would say let's give it a try in this Christmas lighted Lotus Emira. I want to do a huge shout out to Lotus Houten for making this possible. First thumbs up already. It is also rainy and very cold outside, so that only asks for one thing, and that is to play a bit with this Lotus Emira. Also finished in dark Verdant. I've driven one already previously, but this one is another car, but the exact same spec. Dark Verdant, silver wheels and yellow calipers. I mean, it can't be more perfect than that, right? So I'm following my friends in front of me, and I also hope I won't get any trouble with these Christmas lights on the car. I totally love it. We just shot a commercial with this Lotus in the Christmas lights for a Merry Christmas video. Oh, that was not what I was expecting. That was my first power slide actually in a Lotus Emira. Listen to these turbo sounds, by the way. Absolutely gorgeous. These guys are not afraid, but I am. It might be a bit early, but Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year already. I hope my channel will go through a lot of new stuff in the upcoming next year, 2025. I do have already a lot of cool things scheduled. I love those turbo sounds. As I already said, I reviewed this car earlier, so if you want to check that out on my channel, there is a video. I think we need to go in reverse. Still, the gearbox is a bit slow, which I don't really like, of course. Already discussed it in the previous video. Again, now it finally goes into gear. So I want to let those guys lead the way. All right. What a thing, all the Christmas lights fell off in the interior. Oh man, what a stunning car this is, especially in the rain. I want to be really careful still, but what a thing to play with. Absolutely love it. We also received a lot of positive reactions on these Christmas lights, which you might not expect because it actually is illegal to drive with them on. We also ran into some cops. They thought it would be cool, but you still need to be quite careful with those lights on and driving at the same time. Because if you're standing still, then it is allowed. But while driving, it is not allowed because it distracts all the people. And that is why we found a road where almost nobody drives, so we can distract anyone. I'm currently driving in sport mode, so believe it or not, the traction control is still on. If I put it in track mode, then the traction control will turn off, and things like that will happen very easily. But as you see, in the rain, driving in sport mode, this thing really wants to go already. Those pops. And I'm gonna say it again, if I had the money for a car like this, I would definitely buy it. The only problem is that the taxes in the Netherlands are really expensive on this thing. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that, but Lotus Houten, don't worry, I will stop by someday to buy it if I have the money. Lovely thing. And really playful in the rain. Let's see if we can do something again. I want to be really careful again, but we do have a lot of space. Alright, so let's go in here again. What a thing. Unbelievable. What a lovely car this is. I actually tried to put a Christmas tree on my Focus RS for Christmas, but I think that would happen. So I'm incredibly happy that Lotus Houten asked me to go out there and film a Christmas Emira. I mean, why not? So for those people who are wondering, this is the Lotus Emira 4-cylinder with a 2-liter 4-cylinder from the A45S engine of AMG. It is reduced to 360 horsepower and those turbo sounds are so good. Love it. I still want to drive a V6 supercharged, but the V6 are really rare in the Netherlands. But never say never. Maybe one day I will still drive a V6 manual, which looks really cool to me. Okay, so we're going to turn around once again over here. It is really wet out there, as you can see. So I think it is time to wrap up the video. If you still haven't subscribed on my channel yet, then please go ahead, do it for more crazy content like this. And again, I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas already. But first, let's enjoy those turbo sounds. Man, it sounds so good for a 4-cylinder. I hate to say it because my car is also a 4-cylinder, my own Focus RS, but 4-cylinders do sound good. I mean, they can sound good, and especially with these turbo sounds, it is absolutely awesome. My friend in the car in front of me spent a day to manage those lights on the car. So he really did a good job on that. There is one annoying thing, and that is that these are 6 different lights. I mean, I have 6 switches. I have one over here, over there, over there, and over there. So that is actually quite annoying. But it still is cool, and I'm very happy that I could attend to this crazy idea. Thank you guys for watching. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys the next time.